Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this series of basic process engineering calculations, in this session we check for the how to calculate the filtration area of sparkler filter and the liquid hold up volume in the filtrate. So these data are required sometimes for the quantity check or for the risk assessment purpose. So here basically if you have checked any of the sparkler filter, it's called like 24 inch or 48 inch. Its capacity explained in such a way. Okay, so for the example purpose we just note down the capacity of sparkler filter. Here is 24 inch. Then we have number of plates. Okay, total number of plates. If you check in this image, there are this is one, two, three. Likewise, there are number of plates in each sparkle filter. So in this case, we have 25 numbers. Here we okay, 25 number of plates. So then again we notes down the data whatever available with us. So that could be helpful for a calculation. Then we have diameter of diameter of the sparkler. Okay, as we have mentioned here, the diameter is of 24 inch. Okay, so we can simply convert that 24 inch into the meter so that we can avoid the units and conversion errors during calculations. Okay, then we have to calculate or note down the uh, data like diameter of spacer plates. Okay, if you check there is a spacer in between the filtration plate. Okay, so diameter of spacer here is 5 centimeter. So we can simply convert that to the meters. So unit conversion is the important factor for any of the calculations. So we it's standard practice to maintain the same units throughout the calculation or the all the entities or parameters. Then we have to calculate the or the measure the height of plate. Okay, so height of plate you will get it from the GA drawings, or if you don't have GA drawing, you can simply check with the help of measuring tape. Okay, so we have height. So now we can calculate the area of single plate. Okay, so area basically area is the for the cylinder area is the pi by 4 into d square, and in this case we have couple of d's. Okay, d1 we have to minus the spacer dia. Okay, so we'll get the exact uh, calculation or the area of the filtration units available. Okay, so here we got the area of single plates in meter square. Now we have area of single plates. Then we can check for the total total area of filtration. Okay, filtration unit based on the number of plate. By simply for single plate it's 0.289 meter square. Then we have to simply multiply that into the number of plates. So we'll get the total filtration area available. Okay. Then we can calculate the volume. Here we have calculate the I'll just note down the formula. Okay, area of single plate is equals to pi by 4 into d1 square minus small d1 square. So you will get the idea. Okay, this is the formula. Then we have to calculate the volume volume of single plate. Okay, single plate. Now we have, I'll just first note it down the uh, formula here. Okay, area of single plate into the height of plate. Okay, so using this formula we can calculate the volume for the single plate as well as the total sparkler filter. First we calculate volume for single sparkler filter plate. Okay, so here we can simply calculate that its area in meter square into the height of plate in meter. So it is in meter cube for single plate, and total volume of sparkler filter is like a volume of single plate into total number of plates. So we got the volume in meter cube. Okay, so okay, here we have considered the total volume instead of total. Here we are considering the volume for the single plates. Okay, this is the single plates, and for the total plates we have sparkler volume of 144. That means ki volume of single sparkle filter plate into the number of plates. So we got 144.144 meter cube. So here total liquid or filtrate hold up across the sparkler filter is okay. So we simply multiply that into 1000, so we'll get the volume into liter. So it is that much easy. So using the simple Excel spreadsheet you can calculate the volumes of the sparkle filter or any of the filters or the area of filtration available for the filtration purpose. So hope you got the clarity about the calculation, how to calculate the filtration area and the liquid hold of volume using the simple Excel spreadsheet. You can check it with the any of the sparkle filter available with you or in the your premises or organization. If still you have any doubt, you can drop me a message in a comment section. So we'll get back to you. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and like if you thought this video is useful. Thank you for now. Bye bye.